In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Figma prototypes as MP4 videos. We'll walk through getting your design ready for smooth animation and a clean screen capture, so the final video looks professional and easy to share. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable internet connection to avoid hiccups while working. Once you're in, open your design. It helps to have your frames clearly named and organized before you animate. Keep related layers grouped and remove any unused elements so you're only animating what matters. Next, look for the Actions menu. This is the hub for extending your workspace with extra tools. From there, click Plugin. You'll see a search bar where you can discover tools to enhance your prototype. Type Figmotion into the search bar. Figmotion is a powerful animation plugin that lets you bring motion to your design elements without leaving your design environment. When you see it, click it and then click Run. This opens the Figmotion panel where you'll build the motion for your prototype. Inside Figmotion, you can create dynamic, animated behaviors for your layers. Think of it like a timeline. Select a layer, set keyframes for properties like position, opacity, rotation, or scale, and adjust the timing to control how and when things move. Use easing to make motions feel natural, ease in for elements entering, ease out for elements exiting. Keep transitions purposeful and concise. Short, snappy animations often communicate better on video. As you work, preview frequently so you can fine-tune timing and pacing. If something feels abrupt, add a slight delay or a softer ease. If it feels slow, trim the duration to keep the flow lively. As your animations come together, you're effectively shaping how the prototype will play when it's recorded. Make sure interactive moments are easy to follow. Highlight the path a user would take and avoid overlapping motions that compete for attention. A simple, staged sequence, one motion at a time, reads best on camera. When your animated prototype looks the way you want, it's ready for recording and sharing. Choose a clean background, set your canvas to a consistent size, and prepare the prototype view so it fills the screen neatly. For the actual capture, use your preferred screen recording tool and export to MP4 with a standard resolution and a reasonable frame rate, so playback is smooth and file sizes stay manageable. That's it. Open the site, open your design, launch Figmotion from the Actions and Plugin options, and use it to animate your prototype so it's camera ready for an MP4 recording. Thanks for watching and happy prototyping.